Welcome to another episode of Selling Secrets. We're going to try and identify some more vintage toy parts using eBay photo search and using Facebook identification groups. Our items are for sale on our Lancaster Finds eBay page. The link is in the description below. So we're going to start here on eBay search, and you can see up top there's a search section and there's a little camera icon, and you can search using the camera. You can search a barcode or you can take a picture of an item. So either way you like to search. First we're going to try the barcode. So we're going to switch over to camera, click a barcode, and it's going to bring up all the items that are on that barcode. This is actually a book, and you can see these sell for listed for $3.85 free shipping. So this item is not worth selling, but it is a good example. You can filter and go down all the way to completed and sold on your right, and then that will show you what has sold. So you could see there was tons listed, only a few have sold, and they've sold with free shipping, so you're not really going to make any money on that. So I won't be listing that book. Here is the other option of hitting the photo and actually taking a picture of something. So you take a picture and it will go right into your search, and there we go, we have the item. Again, there's quite a few listed. It is the top part for a Star Wars speeder, $3.99 plus $4 shipping. So now that I know what the item is, I can search all of the listings for that particular item. And you can see there's two available right now with those specific words. You toggle down on the filter column on the right, you hit completed and sold, and you can see that one actually sold for 99 cents. So again, that's probably not worth listing. If I had it with other parts like this one, maybe it would be worth listing, but because I just have that one part, I'm probably not going to bother. Here's another one I've really been struggling with, and you can see why. When I take a picture of it, it comes to a bunch of antler hooks, no vintage toys. So that one is a little bit of a problem. And other things like this item, I thought it would be real easy to identify with photos. And again, it just pulls up a bunch of random things that really aren't even close to what I'm looking for. So what I decided to do is use Facebook identification groups, and they can be very, very useful. Because I'm looking for vintage toy items that are for action figures, I went to Facebook and I searched vintage action figure identification groups. And then what you can do is take a photo and number all the items that you are looking to identify, and you post it on that Facebook group. They usually ask you to join the group and agree to certain requirements. And once you are accepted as a member, you can post your photos, and it is amazing. These people really know their stuff, and you usually get a response within 10 minutes to an hour. And I was able to identify most of the items that I had listed, and I actually had a few people wanting to actually buy those items too. So there are some great resources. There's also Murano art glass identification groups, Glidden pottery groups, anything specific that you're looking for. They are great resources. So I would encourage you to use Facebook identification groups to identify your items. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. If you could like, comment, and share about this video, that'd be fantastic. And as always, we are on Facebook and we are on eBay. Check the link in the description below.